Hi guys, how are ya? How's your day going? Better than yesterday. Yesterday we had all that rain and all that wind. Oh my goodness, the trees were coming down and the leaves were blowing everywhere and the furniture was moving and the garbage cans were tipped over. It was very cool. I like that stuff. I thought that was very cool. I was at church at preschool and I was taking care of the building, so everything is safe. So we are so good. We're so good to go. I like that kind of weather. And then the sun came out and it was a little chilly and then it got warm again. I know this weather is crazy, crazy weather, crazy weather. But today it's beautiful. Today's Wednesday. And what's the date? The 5th or the 6th? Today's Wednesday, my favorite day. It's hump day. Yay! So today is Wednesday, August 6th. 2020. We have only 4 more weeks and then school will start and we can come back to school. So I hope to see you all. I want to see you so much. I miss you all so much. So I'm going to do another video, another worksheet and another craft for you. Yay! So you have stuff to do when you're at home and you're a little bit bored, okay? And you can keep up. So when you come back to school, you'll be set to go, right? Some of you might come back in September, yay. Some of you might come back in October or November. It's up to mom and dad if they want to keep you safe. So you're gonna come back to me if you can, and you come back when mom and dad say you can, okay? But come back in September because I love you guys and I miss you so much. So the worksheet today, I was thinking at home, what is special about summer? There's all kinds of stuff special about summer, right? Because we've been talking about it. There's the ocean and the pools and the nice warm weather and the sun and the trees are beautiful and the flowers are beautiful. But you know what I really like in the summer? The food. Summer has its own special food. There are foods that you eat in the summer you don't eat any other time of the year. And there's foods that you eat in the summer that you do eat other times of the year. So one of the things I did was came up with a list of stuff that I eat in the summer. You want to hear my stuff? Yeah? Corn on the cob. You cannot get corn on the cob all year round, only in the summer. And especially when it's grown right here in New Jersey. That is really good. So corn on the cob. And tomatoes. Miss Kathy's growing tomatoes in my yard. And I have them. They're nice and red and they're round and they're beautiful. And they taste so good. So tomatoes, you get them all year round, but they're not as good as you can get them in the summer. And squash. Sometimes you can get squash in the fall. Watermelon. Oh, I love watermelon. And watermelon is so good this year. And peaches and nectarines. You can't get those in the winter. And plums. You know what my favorite thing is? The salads. You can get potato salad and pasta salad and coleslaw and green salad with stuff from your garden and fruit salad, my favorite fruit salad. And you can get fresh green beans and fresh broccoli and fresh Brussels sprouts. And you can have hot dogs and burgers on the grill and you can have veggies on the grill. But my favorite is something you can have all year round, but it tastes the best in the summer because it's so hot. And when it's so hot, you want to have something what? Cold. You want to have something cold. So my favorite thing in the summer is ice cream. It feels so good going down. It's nice and sweet and it cools you down. So that's what we're talking about today. Foods we eat in the summer. You come up with some ideas. And then if you come up with some ideas, you can make something with it and eat it. You could cook. You could cook with your sister or your brother or your grandma or daddy or mom or grandpa or the neighbor. You could cook. So the worksheet is a dinner that you might eat on the 4th of July, which is in the summer. So the first thing you do is you write your name. Don't forget to write your name. Got a little practice writing your name every day. And some of you are writing not just your first name, but your second name too. Yes, you are doing it. You are rocking this. All right, so this is our worksheet. And in the worksheet, there's all kinds of shapes. There's shapes everywhere. And so there's a circle. There's another circle. There's, what do we got here? We got a square and a rectangle. We got diamonds and stars. So what they want you to do is they want you to draw a circle around all the shapes that you see and then count them. It says, how many circles did you find? So you're going to circle 1, And here's another one, 2. And I don't see any more, do you? 2 circles, you put a 2 there. How many stars did you find? 1, 2, 3. So you put the 3 there. Got it? There's a couple of them. Circles, stars, diamonds, squares, and triangles. Okay? And then on the back, make your own shapes. Make a circle and a square and a triangle and a diamond. And then down here, make a picture using the shapes. Like if you make a square and you put a triangle on top, a house, I know. There's shapes everywhere. Everything is made up of shapes. So this is what I want you to do. I want you to write your name, do the worksheet, turn it over, draw a circle, a square, a diamond, and a triangle. And then I want you to draw a picture using those shapes. It's a lot of work, a lot of work. You can do this. I know you can. All right. Now, the craft is my favorite food. Yes, it is. The craft is, what? Ice cream cone. Yay! I did not even give you a template to trace or anything because this is not going to be difficult. You are just going to cut out a triangle. It does not have to be this big. It could be smaller too. Could be any size you want. A nice triangle. I made mine brown because I like those brown ice cream cones. And then at the top, it's a circle. And then I just made a little scallops at the bottom. I just cut out a little bit at the bottom. It looks like the ice cream is dripping. And it could be any color you want. I chose white because I like vanilla ice cream. But I also put chocolate chips in it because I love chocolate. I do love chocolate. So I put chocolate chips in mine. But you can do anything. You can also glue and sprinkle real sprinkles on it. Or you can use a hole puncher in different colors and use that to make the sprinkles, right? You could do anything. You could put different colors on there, like you could have half green, like half pistachio and half peppermint, that kind of a thing, all right? So make an ice cream cone, okay? And then you'll feel cooler. All right, so now we have to think about what's gonna happen when we come back to school, right? And like your brother and your sister have to do too. So there's kind of things that are gonna happen. We talk about this every time, right? Every week. So I'm just reminding you that when we stand in line, we're not gonna stand next to each other anymore. We're gonna stand 6 feet apart. So you can practice at home. You say, Mom, you stand here. I'll stand here 6 feet away, and then Daddy will stand over here 6 feet from there, okay? You can practice it. You do it at the grocery store. You do it when you're waiting in line to get ice cream at the ice cream parlor. You just, wherever you go, that there's people, you have to wait in line, okay? Some people are waiting in line at the place where you get your driver's license. You have to wait in line. So remember that, 6 feet apart, you gotta stay in line. Now, we're gonna wash our hands all the time. We're gonna wash our hands when we come in the first thing in the morning, we're gonna wash our hands. Then we're gonna play, and then we're gonna wash our hands again. Then we're gonna have snack, then we're gonna wash our hands again. Then we're gonna play some more, then we're gonna wash our hands again, and then we're gonna go home. I know, it's a lot. If you stay for lunch, you wash your hands at lunchtime, okay? So you wanna stay safe. And we have wipes in the room, so we're gonna wipe everything down. And when you play with something, then we wipe it down. We're gonna learn how to clean. I know, it'll be cool, right? Learning how to clean. And the other thing we have to do is we have to wear masks. So Miss Kathy, I finally remembered to bring my mask. So this is my mask. It's blue on one side and it's white on the other, and it has these ear hooks on it, right? They're like elastic. So I'm gonna put it on my face, and you're gonna see I still look beautiful even with a mask on my face. So I put it on my face, I cover my nose, I put it behind my ears, and I pull it down under my chin, and then I squeeze it here so it's right there. And I'm still me, right? You could see my eyes, you could see my earrings and my hair, right? And you can hear my voice through the mask. So we're gonna wear a mask, and that way we won't get each other sick. The germs will not go out onto other people. The germs will stay inside. And I will keep my own germs. I will not share my germs with other people. That's what we're gonna do. We're gonna wear a mask, we're gonna stay safe, and we're gonna play. We're gonna have a great time. All right, I'm gonna show you my face again. There it is. So let's keep in mind that we're gonna wear the mask, but you can do this. This is not difficult. And if you don't feel like it one day, then we'll let you get away with it a little bit, okay? We're just gonna try to keep you as safe as we possibly can, okay? All right, We're ready for you. We want you to come. Miss Robin, Miss Jess, Miss Anuja, Miss Jess, Miss Kathy, we want you to come. We miss you so much. So we want you to come to school, and we want you to do your work and play with your friends, and then you can go home and tell mom and dad all about it. But you have to do what mom and dad say, and you have to help them at home, okay? You help them at home, and you help them clean, and you help them set the table, and you help them cook, and you help them by teaching them how to stand 6 feet apart from each other, okay? And practice your writing your name and your letters and your numbers. I know it's a lot. Miss Kathy asks a lot, but you can do this. I know you can. All right, I love you. Miss you so, so much. But we will be together soon. Have a great week. Love you. Bye.